Well, all right. We are at Bulls Island, which is a campground and maintenance facility on the New Jersey side. So let me show you where we're at on the map. There we are. You are here, Bulls Island. And what I did at Bulls Island, they have restrooms, so I used the restrooms and filled my bottles of water. So I'm ready to go. So what we're probably going to do, let me show you real quick here, is I'm thinking if there's enough time, stop at Stockton. It's only 3 miles away. So we're on our way. Let's go over to the bike and check in. 88 degrees. It's 5:51, so getting off at 6 o'clock. Now today's ride time is 10 hours, 16 minutes, and 4 seconds. And where we're at on the trip is 119.4. So we got a little ways to go, but we're well over the 100-mile mark. We're definitely on our way back. And it's feeling every bit of the long ride. So, but I'm feeling good. Let me show you the Bulls Island sign out there. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? All right. That's Route 29. A lot of people use it for road bikes. It's a very nice road. Very wide shoulder. You can take that all the way to Frenchtown. I'm probably going to be doing rides like that soon. I'm going to be looking into getting a road bike and from Stockton to Frenchtown. Beautiful riding. All right, so if we got enough time, we'll stop at Stockton. So I'll see you there. Well, there was enough time, and here we are in Stockton. So let me show you the map here. Check it out. You are here, Stockton. An even better reason for me to stop here at Stockton. Let's check in with our timer here. I want to show you this. Get this thing straight. Look at that. This beats my personal best from last year. 122.7. And we still got a little ways to go. That is awesome. We got 86 degrees. 6:11. Hey, that's not bad. So that's about 15 minutes. That was 3 miles. From Bulls Island to here is 3 miles. And I did it in about 15 minutes. I'm definitely getting my rider's high now. I was doing about 17, 18 miles an hour on the way down. So that's really good. So I'm pumped. This is a great ride. So we'll see where else we can stop. Well, this ride is almost done. I'm in Pennsylvania, and I'm at Black Rock Road. There's a parking lot, kiosk. It's where I get the brochures. So from here, only got about 12 miles. All right, let's check in on our meter. 79 degrees, 139.4. And what's our time? 5 of 8. This is where I got on the canal, and it was still dark this morning. Let me show you. Came down that road, and then accessed the path. You know, these rides, there's always stuff going on. And I crossed over at Washington's Crossing, and coming down, there was a deer in the path. You know, I rode up, I actually came to a stop. I'm like, are you going to move? So I clapped and made some noise, and he finally got the message and took off, and off I went. These long rides are incredible, though. You know, I will freely admit to being addicted to these kind of rides. You know, when you get challenges, you know, you overcome the challenges, you feel a little fatigued, but you can always count on your rider's high, which usually is 3/4 of the way through the ride, you know, to the point where it's like you didn't even ride all those miles. And that's how I feel now. It's like, I can't believe, you know, that I went all the way up to Allentown. It doesn't even feel like that right now, you know. Go figure. So got roughly another hour. And so it'll probably be a little dark when I get back. Started in the dark, ended in the dark, you know. So like I said, you know, roughly about an hour. It's about 12 miles, so it will be 150 when it's done. So let's finish this distance. Alright, well, I got one word. Success! I did it. Check it out. .81 degrees. 150.9. And let's check our time. 9:11. Ooh, I don't know about that. Well, I did say I was going to come back in the dark, and sure enough I did, you know. But it was a great ride. I feel great. And it was the best ride I ever did. Definitely my best ride. So at this time I want to thank all family members and friends for their support. And also, I'm dedicating this ride to Edward, Wesley, Victoria, and Noah, family members who have passed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the ride. All right.